Hey my youth, me know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla entertainment.
My people, big up and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall skilla there here again, you see? Alright, my people, so I don't know about anybody else, but in my point of view, every time me hear say Christmas holidays are come around the corner and New Year holidays, robberies seems to spike some places within the country of Jamaica. See? Why take a look at this video and listen to some things that a person said in this video. I soon talk to you again. Observe with me.
Trust me, you know at Christmas time you have to be very careful. Now watch it. There half a tree, come on my yard, you know. I see the man pop out the zipper from my bag and try going on my back to right it. I mean not even know say zip move. I mean go home. I mean go home and look on the bag right now. Go me go in a big part. I not see no zip on the bag to right it.
Yeah.
Man bust off the zipper from my bag. Try go in a bag but then can't go in a bag. Bomba, just be careful people. That's all me tell you. Just be careful. Cause see there? The zip bust off. I don't know how them bust it off. Bust off the zip off the side of your bag. And then I get to go in your bag to rat it. Bomba, them man you billions to clot. You know, just be careful people. Alright? Just be careful on the road.
So basically, this person I try to make people on social media know, say them to be careful. You see me? And him show a bag and talk certain things. My people, me tell you something, you see? As much as you work for what you want in your viewers and subscribers, you have persons out there who some people might call thieves then. We want to rob you and hurt you for your own things when you try to defend what's yours and of yours and subscribers. You see me? There are a lot of people within the country of Jamaica who don't want to wear a gold chain and a gold ring or a gold watch or certain things out in the public because them fear for them life or them fear that somebody are gonna rob them of viewers and subscribers. Them think they're not right, you know? Them think they're slap this, you know? And you see some of the times when we talk about these things, you have some persons who will say, Jah no dancehall skilla. You can't really and truly make Jamaica look so, but what am I gonna do? Tell lie? Eh? Because of that, me see I go on, my people, and them things are not right. See? My people, me I tell you, Jah no, a true man don't even know. It look away for our country, it look away. So me I say, it really look away. Anyways, me I gonna move on to another video. See? Yeah. I move on to another video, but hold on, me have something I want to tell you. Now, before I present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want to invite everyone to go over to a YouTube channel that is known as The Nadine Show. Yes, The Nadine Show. Now, the host of that channel, who goes by the name of Nadine, she talk about social issues on that channel. She also interview people. She also help people who are in need. And she has some very interesting topics on that YouTube channel, viewers and subscribers. Alright? So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video down below. And if you click that link will take you to The Nadine Show. Alright? That's The Nadine Show. Alright? Alright, now my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a man in a wheelchair. And the man was using a shovel to mix concrete. Viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this video. Take a look and observe.
People, you tell me now. Look for someone on the road. Everything alright with them. Foot intact and intact everything. I look on this man in a wheelchair and mix concrete. General, respect all for you, hear sir? Hear me say that?
Alright, my people. You see how that man in a wheelchair and him a work? Him a mix concrete, you know. Concrete that contains sand, gravel, cement and water, you know. Him a work for a purpose in the viewers and subscribers, you see? And yet still have some persons out there, you know, wouldn't even lift up a shovel to get a pay, you know. You see me I talk about? I respect the man there. I never want to say certain things, but I respect him. You see me? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. You can tell me what you think about that video, the viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to that person in the wheelchair. Some person might call him disabled. Me just respect him. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a veteran musician who goes by the name of Screechy Joe. Now, in this video, Screechy Joe talk about shabba ranks. You know, he also said other things in the video, viewers and subscribers, you know, and I'm not even going to explain certain things that he said in the video. The video is there for yourself. You see me? So, for those who love 90s dancehall, for those who know 90s dancehall, Screechy Joe. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah man, I do a Screechy Joe talk, and I'm me there, man, all the vibes. Yeah man, can make everybody talk from right there. I'm just sit down and observe. And also be a wicked people there, boy. See? Cause I remember, you know, Shabba Rankin live in Jamaica, you know. See? Sean Paul and Shaggy them live Jamaica and foreign. Shabba Rankin live, boy. And anytime Shabba Rankin come to Jamaica, he put food in a people plate. Enough people eat food, and the youth them live. What Shabba can do again for him, give him glory. Remember Shabba Rankin set it, you know. And he will have a back of artist spanning back a travel the world, you know. I don't remember that, you know. I remember I saw the first Grammy DJ that. And anytime he come to Jamaica, remember him not live here, you know. But anytime he come here, you know, thousands of people eat food out of Shabba. So when a man make people eat food out of him, and food is the starve of life. See? Some man care man as true to go advise them. Some care man a friend pan tour with them. Which way all of them thing there. Shabba live a France, so Shabba mostly sing with international artists. Cause him no live at Jamaica. But one of the members said him do him have to do again already. Shabba Rankin can't do nothing again to please one. Cause him do him have to do. Who the boy and who have to come and who da Jamaica. Have to do for who for do. See? Zana make a speech. Shabba never make no speech. See? And the still have members say Zana do spar with Shabba Rankin. I feel him boss that. So if he mean anything about Shabba him not like, him come out and make him own views. So I Shabba Zana that. And long Shabba Rankin not come out and say nothing. Cause I don't remember Shabba is a man who stay. Shabba is a man who love hide, you know. So all them little thing we don't see. Shabba never say nothing, so if come out to say, we not deal with tear down boy, man. We deal with upliftment. Shabba Rankin that. We don't leave him alone, man. Him do him have to do already. Screechy Joe said that. Hype type of girl and with some hype type of style. Hype type of shape and hype type of hairstyle. Yeah, man, a Screechy Joe that, you know. Remember them song there? So if you don't remember who attack, a Screechy Joe attack. And that me I did. Don't leave Shabba Rankin alone and don't tear him down. Him do him for do already. The biggest thing in the dancehall will come from, boy. Shabba Rankin set it. Shaggy and Sean Paul. Yeah, man, I hate that. Screechy Joe don't talk. Yeah, man, leave him alone, man. Him do him and do him not live at Jamaica. So we not like him, the boy, are rare right now. Him not live here. Foreign him live. Up. Do you thinking I hear the team? Grung.
Well, my people, I don't know what else I can add to the things that my Screechy Joe say in that video, my people. So I say, yeah, the other day a veteran musician contacted me, you know, but the veteran musician who contacted me wanted to remain anonymous, you know, and you know, that person explains certain things when it comes on to Shabba Ranks and Jashi and so forth. You see me? So Screechy Joe again come here and say some things because, you know, the person who named Xanadu said some things that somehow reflected back on Shabba, when Shabba really and truly wasn't the person who said certain things that are being talked about on social media pertaining to Jashi. You see me? I say so. I them bag talking on social media. But anyways, my people, see, me the thing said that whole thing kind of did fade away by now, but it seems as if you have some persons who really and truly still talk about this whole thing. You see me? I say, yeah, so big up Screechy Joe, big up Shabba Ranks, big up Jashi, you see me? Big up every veteran artist in the music and every upcoming artist. I just have to left it to my people. So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla, and big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.